My name is Guillem Francis. I'm an executive chef of Wicked Grounds and Wicked Food in Amsterdam, the Netherlands. Today I'm going to be cooking a roasted cauliflower, a soft shell taco with a chimichurri and a chickpea salad. So here's how we're going to start. Take our cauliflower and we need to clean off the core. You want to make them a little bit flat because then they are much easier to roast in the pan. So what I always do is I take my cauliflower in a little bowl and I season the cauliflower with oil and salt and pepper before I roast it. The next preparation is actually the chimichurri. It's my own take on it. So normally it's without mint, but I add a little bit of mint for some freshness. So the same thing with the oregano. Now that the pan is hot enough, then what we can do is we'll place our cauliflower in the pan. So what else I have here is some cornichons. You can also use just normal pickles. And now the next thing I'm going to add is a few capers. So again, just roughly chop them. The liquid for the salsa is the oil, so you need quite a bit. We'll use about 3 tablespoons. And this is your base of your chimichurri. While our cauliflower is still cooking, what we are going to also need to do is fry our tempeh. And now I'm going to make small blocks because I want to fry them nicely. So for the salad, we're going to use some tomatoes, some chickpeas, some za'atar, some red onion, and some baby gem. So what we will do first is we'll take our baby gem. What I'm going to do is slice it nice and fine. I need a red onion. And then again, same as the baby gem, you just want to slice that nice and fine. And put my tempeh in. And cauliflower out of the pan. So for my tempeh, just want salt, pepper, olive oil. Now the next ingredient for my salad is going to be some tomatoes. So the tomatoes I use cherry tomatoes, chop them into quarters. And then the last thing I will add is I add a few chickpeas just for some extra protein, some salt, some pepper, some oil. And then one of my favorite ingredients, and this is where my twist comes in, I add a little bit of za'atar. So za'atar is a base of sesame seeds and thyme and salt. Now for everyone's favorite bit, which is the building of the taco. So take my taco shell. Yeah, I just got to warm it up gently, so I use the same pan. This dish is really perfect for families because, you know, everyone builds their own, so they can put their own kind of taste involved. So if the kids don't like one of the elements, it's not really important for them. If you like it more spicy, you can add more spice with the salsas. Firstly, I add some salsa. This is just a base layer to help the salad stick. And here's my chickpea salad. After my salad, this is where my tempeh comes in. Next is my cauliflower. And now here comes really with the flavor. So this is where the salsa really comes in. You want to have that all over the cauliflower. And now myself, I always like to add a bit of extra garnish. So I'm going to add some more of the mint. So here's a plate to serve it on. Here you have it. This is my roasted cauliflower, chickpea salad and chimichurri taco. And of course my favorite part, which is the eating. And as you can see, it's quite messy. But it doesn't matter. Fresh, healthy, delicious. Even during these disruptive times, we can still support your local restaurants, cafes and bars. Many have started pickup services, delivery, and are even selling vouchers. Please support your local HoReCa. Thank you.